So today I want to share with you guys another SpaceX related app. So earlier this week I did a video where I shared with you guys a cool awesome app called Pocket Rocket, which of course allows you to see SpaceX rockets in AR on your iPhone, and of course keep up with launches as well. But now there's another app that was just released a few days ago called XLAUNCH. And so I want to share with you guys and take you through the app. So let's open the app. So XLaunch is a free app you could go and download right now in the App Store, and it's, like I said, another SpaceX app that allows you to track the launches. But what makes this app a little bit much more different, of course, than Pocket Rocket is that it does not have AR features. This one, and also has other stuff as well that makes it different. So first off, of course, is if you go into launches, of course, you get to see every launch that happened, and it's happening, of course. Well, that are going to happen. So if you go into the settings area, you can actually filter the launches. So you can see recent launches, you can see all launches, and you can see upcoming launches. So let's go to all for now. And of course, it will show you every single launch that SpaceX has done throughout the years. And then of course, you can see which ones were success, which ones were failures. And of course, if you just tap one, of course, you get to see some more information about the launch. So you can see, of course, what vehicle it was as well. And if you tap on vehicle, you can see how the rocket looks. You can see the payload as well for the customer, the country, and everything. What was the payload as well? And then of course the launch place as well, but that cannot be seen. And of course the details of the information about the launch as well, which is really cool. And of course, just like Pocket Rocket, you can also see the video launch as well if you want, which is really great. And of course photos as well. So there's no images for this one, which is not which is kind of sad, but in some of them you do get images as well. That you can see the launches as well. So like this one, okay, none of them really have any pictures then. So there we go. So as you can see, you can also see photos of the launch as well, which is really great as well. But like I said, this is just one of the features that makes this app different than the other app that I just talked about, is that you could bookmark these launches. So like right now I have this one bookmarked so that I can see when the launch is happening. And of course, I can see right here, so it's happening April 23rd in 2020, what time, and of course the location, and then of course it has a timer right there, and as well the information right there as well, so that I can see the information right there. So that's really cool here that you can see all of them. You can see all the upcoming launches as well, future launches that SpaceX has scheduled and everything as well. But also, like I said, there's another thing that makes it different, this app XLaunch, than the other app, is the news section here. So just like the bookmark section, of course that's a standout feature, the news section right here, you get to see some space news as well. So you can see not just SpaceX news, but also like other news related to space as well, which is really cool. And I've been really enjoying it, reading about this, because it's just interesting. And I'm a big fan of space stuff. So yeah, just being able to read the news about space on this app, and of course reading about SpaceX stuff as well, is really interesting to me. So yeah, it's just a really fantastic app that I highly recommend you guys go check out if you guys are SpaceX fans or just space fans in general. So yeah, and it's a free app, like I said, to download as well. And yeah, and another cool thing, of course, that I almost forgot to mention as well with this app, is that you could do some app icon changes. So of course, you could change the app icons right here as well. And then of course, tint color. So if you want, you could change the tint color to anything you want as well. So I'll leave it to that, to the blue right there. And right there, you have your tint color changed. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this mini review video checking out XLaunch. The developer is still going to be adding features to the app as well. And I think there's a neat little interview in 9 to 5 Mac, which I will be posting in the link description below, where they do a small little interview talking about the development of the app, and as well as the app right now is free, but I think the developer does have plans to release some features that will be paid as well. So that's it for now, guys, and as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.